Alright, good morning grade 6. Today we're going to be learning about how to find the volume of a rectangular prism. And what's really cool is it has a formula just like all the rest of the things we've been learning in measurement this term. And the formula for finding the volume of a rectangular prism is length times width times height. So we can find the volume of any rectangular prism. The one thing we need to remember though is that when we are working with volume, you're working in 3 dimensions: length, width, and height. So the answer is always going to be cubed. When we work with area, we're doing length times width, right? And length times width is 2 dimensions, so it's squared with a little 2. When you're doing working with volume, it's 3 dimensions: length, width, and height, so it's cubed, that little 3 exponent at the end of the centimeter. And if you can't type it, you can just put the number 3 behind centimeter. So I know you know it means cubed. But very, very important that we know that it's cubed, okay? Because it's 3 dimensions. So if we are trying to find the volume of a rectangular prism, we can look at one. And so let's see this one. So we've got volume equals length times width times height. I see that those 3 are filled in. This one's very, very easy. So the volume V equals, the length looks like 7 centimeters times width is 3 centimeters. I see that right there, 3 centimeters times the height, which is 4 centimeters. And I can just start doing that. So the volume equals, well, 3 times 4 is 12. So 7 centimeters times 12 centimeters. I know that 7 times 12 is 84. So volume equals 84 centimeters cubed, because I can't do the exponent. So there we go. The volume of this is 84 centimeters cubed. Now today your challenge is going to be to find and draw using Google Drawing. Find how many different rectangular prisms, and you can draw them yourselves. It's really cool. The shape is right here. How many different rectangular prisms can you create that have a total volume of 24 centimeters cubed? So think about how you're going to change the look of that. So I want them different colors labeled, and I want to see this formula. Make sure you're writing it like we write bed mass, with the formula at the top, and you can even have V equals L times V equals L times W times H. Or if you want to use these symbols, that's fine too. We know that that's also acceptable. So you can do that if it's shorter, but start with the formula at the top so I know that you know it. Then fill in your widths, your lengths, and your heights. Then start doing your math, however you find the multiplication easiest. And then on the bottom you can write the answer. So I know that I've seen the whole process, okay? It's very important I see the process. So that's how we find volume. It's not challenging. Today your challenge is going to be to find as many rectangular prisms with a total volume of 24 centimeters cubed. How many different ones can you make? So you'll create them, draw them, figure it out, and you'll turn it in on Google Classroom. Awesome. All right, thanks. Bye.